Alright, so jumping right into it, I am priming my eyes with the NYX Glitter Primer. That way my eyeshadows are much more pigmented and pop. Going in with Juvia's Place Zulu palette, I'm taking that bluish teal shade and I'm going into the crease and kind of taking it out on the ends, smoking it out, because I'm going to do a black smoky eye with this look. Going in with the NYX Ultimate Palette, I am taking that darker blue shade and intensifying the crease with that before I apply the black eyeshadow. Now, I know this looks crazy, but I'm going in with my e.l.f. gel liner as a base before I apply the black shadow. That way it comes out much darker and much more pigmented. So this is an oldie, but still one of my faves. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Artiste palette. So I'm taking that black eyeshadow and blending out those edges of the base that I created to blend it seamlessly. Make sure you blend really, really well to get that smoked out effect. Alright, going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color medium, as I would do in any other tutorial. But this time I'm going to extend it down my cheeks. That way when I contour, my face looks slimmer. Now taking Makeup Revolution setting powder in the color Ghost and setting my face. But this time I'm not going to dust the powder away. I want to leave it there so I look more dead in the face. Taking any brown eyeshadow, I am contouring my nose with it. I'm going past my eyebrows because it gives you that angry look like a skull has, as if you're upset, if that makes any sense. Contour does not have to be perfect, just has to be there so your face is more defined, because you're going to draw over that. Going back in with that e.l.f. gel liner, I'm just trying to carve out the skull nose. Makeup is like, don't feel bad if you mess up. It's okay. It's your art. Like, do whatever you want. If you do mess up, that's why they invented concealer. Don't stress about it. Okay, going back into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Artiste palette, taking that black eyeshadow and deepening my contour. Now I'm taking my NYX liquid eyeliner in the color black and doing the best I can to sketch out the teeth of the skull. Just have fun with it. It's Halloween makeup. If you mess up, like I said before, it really doesn't matter, right? Just don't stress. Don't stress, because I was stressing a little bit. Alright, take a dip back into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Artiste palette and smoke that bottom lash out, honey. Smoke it, smoke it, smoke it. And just because we're there does not mean the highlight does not apply. So yes, highlight. Taking that blue I use as my transition shade, I'm going to use that to contour my cheeks, just to be cute, you know? Alright, go ahead and add the final touches. You can do whatever you want to do. I decided to do a heart and some dots just in random spots on my face, and that will complete the final look. So thank you for watching. Please, If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next Saturday.